everyone, welcome back. Today I have Lisa with me. I have lots and lots of people want to see Lisa's haircut. She gets people to video her haircut wherever she goes, pictures, all the things. It's exciting. So anyway, she has a darling haircut, nice, short and spiky with a little bit longer length on the sides. What we do is we just come through this bottom and we just clean this up. And Lisa, we've done hers, we've had it like wispy back here, some fringe in the back. We really like it just short and tight. It's just a lot easier to deal with, isn't it, Lisa? It's just, we just take it off and then she doesn't have to deal with it. Okay, and then up through this area, I just point cut. And with Lisa's hair, she has a ton of hair, which there have been ladies that have said, hey, I really want Lisa's haircut. And I have to explain to them, okay, we can do Lisa's haircut to a point, but Lisa has a lot of hair. She has thick hair and straight hair. So, if she definitely has the perfect hair for this haircut, you can do it if your hair isn't thick and like hers, but it definitely does give it a different look. Okay, now this bottom, we're just taking in tight. Yeah, Lisa's had her hair short now for a long time. When I was first doing her hair and went to a hair show, I'd come back and I'm like, Lisa, I really, really want to do this haircut on you. She's like, what's it like? And so I was explaining and how short it was. And she's like, oh, I don't know, maybe. And then, of course, she's a trooper and was like, okay, you can do it. And it's been short ever since. So yes, we've changed it up a little bit here and there. But we just love it short on Lisa. And it's just really easy for her. She loves it. She doesn't have to have a round brush or anything like that. She just, she doesn't even have a comb. She just puts her fingers through it, dries it, sticks it up. It's the best. Yep, Lisa has been a huge icon for our little town. She's definitely loved by so many. She ended up just retiring from doing drill team from the high school for, what was it, 36 years. And she still has a dance studio in the back of her home. And anyway, she still teaches tons of dancing. And anyway, it's cute. Anywhere, if you're by Lisa and any little kid comes around, they're running up to Lisa saying, Miss Lisa. Yeah, it's cool. Super fun. Then when I get done and I dry this, I like to come back through here and clipper over comb. You can do scissor over comb also if you like, but I really like to do the clipper over comb just because it's thick back there. And of course I like to texturize. But anyway, I like to take it just a little bit tighter. It definitely looks clean longer. And I always use the word clean just because, so it's not out of place, the hair. So, okay, this top, just point cutting into this. Okay, and then she always goes this way. All right, so her sides, I'm just going to kind of trim. She's like those longer. I always have to triple check those. They always give me sometimes it's good. Some haircuts, it just goes. And others, I'm like, okay, I need a little bit more off this side, a little bit more, like just to make it even on both sides. So sometimes I have to thin one side out more. Okay, so you can see I'm keeping this length, but I'm trimming. Yeah, it always made me feel good. I would have Lisa would go and take her dancers to New York, and she'd always come back with stories of people stopping her to get pictures of her hair. And so, and it really helps that she knows how to style it. I do love that. Okay, so we just trim that. And I'm just making sure that both sides are even. And I just come up, take a little bit of that out. And then her bang area, she likes them longer a little bit. I mean, they're not obviously long, but for this cut, they're, a little bit long, but we like to come in and piece these out. So you can see there's little pieces up in, and then I just barely trim the ends because you obviously want it trimmed, but you want to try to leave that length also. All right, now I'm going to texturize. These have the teeth that are closer together. So this will take some bulk out, which she definitely has in her hair. So we can do this. And then I'm going to take the chunky texturizing shears through her ends. And the reason being is because we don't want it to look like just all one length, right? We want it to be piecey and have some movement. And so we definitely like the chunkier shears throughout the ends. Okay, so I'm just going to take that hair out. And then we're going to take the chunky. So now you can see that these are chunky. And we're going to come up through the ends. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. That'll happen. Her left side, where obviously her hair goes more towards, if it's more heavy, sometimes she'll tell me. She'll be like, "Okay, right here's heavy." Yeah. So we always have to. And that's the thing with her hair too. She has so much of it, and it's so thick that texturizing can, grow out pretty fast. And like I said, she goes to this side, so there's more hair over here. So yeah, we just take that out. Yeah, that feels better. I just taking my fingers in there and maybe a little bit more right here. And you'll get to know your client's hair. Like if you just grab at it, or it's kind of funny if clients come in and I'm like, "Oh my goodness, that is like, how did you do that? It's so thick right there." Anyway, so I can definitely tell. Okay, now we are going to dry. Okay, so now we have the mousse in. We're just going to dry. And then, of course, once we get it styled, well, dried. I'm not going to style it before I do the clip roller comb. But I'm going to do the clip roller comb in the back to keep this tight so it doesn't poke out as it grows. How you doing, Lise? Okay, good. So you can see I'm just moving my fingers back and forth. And the blow dryer. Oh. Yes. Yeah, it's so funny when you have short hair. Some people will be like, "Why do you need a haircut?" And you're like, "Because it's super long." And they're looking at you like, "Yeah, right." But it does make a difference, doesn't it, Lise? As soon as you get that haircut, then you're, instead of 5 minutes, it takes 2. Right. I've been having a lot of people ask about the Epic brush. There's a link below for Amazon that you can get those brushes. They work for long hair, short hair, thick, thin, all the hair. These brushes are amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. I take a blending comb and I just have her put her head down and I just come through this area and I just clean this up nice. And just get that a little bit tighter to her head. And some, depending, you know, who your client is, will want you to thin that out more with the texturizing shears. I've thinned hers enough, and then with this clipper over comb, it's just enough for Lisa. So, but some other clients have me do even more towards the bottom, but this is great for Lisa. Okay. Like I said, this just keeps it a little bit tighter as it grows out so it doesn't poke out, especially if you have thick hair like Lisa. Sometimes when it grows out, it can just kind of poke out more. And so if you keep that tight, it makes it a lot easier to grow out. Well, in between, not grow out. We're not growing out. In between. Yeah, we've tried that. No, not going to happen. I usually have to use more for her, but I start out regular with the paste and rub it in with one fingertip. But she does have so much hair that usually I have to go in and grab more. But I just do a little bit at first. Yep, go in, get my second fingertip, rub it in. Yeah, Lisa really started the Pixie style around our town. Everybody loved it, and a lot of people will ask for a cut like this. I think it's because honestly too, not only is it just cute and it stays done all day, but like the maintenance of it, it's not. And once you do it, it feels done. It's like, you know, sometimes while your hair, if it falls, you're like, oh my gosh. Yeah, exactly. That is a great point. No clips and stuff in your hair like that. That's right. So this is what I'm talking about. Lisa likes her bangs longer, but piecey. Yeah. Definitely like piecey. So right here, it's not as piecey as she would like. So I'm going to bring this through. Take a little bit of that off. Sorry, Lisa. Good. Okay. Then I'm just going to come up through. Lisa has enough hair you don't really need to back comb, but I like to back comb a tiny bit. And then just use the hairspray. Okay, I'm just going to look in the mirror one more time. How does it feel? Yeah. Good. Good. You can handle another 4 weeks. She comes once a month to get her hair cut, which is nice, especially with thick hair because it does get bulky. So every 4 weeks, that's what we definitely have to retexturize. Okay, I'm going to turn her around so you can see the back. cute, Lise. Thank you so much for letting us show your haircut. You guys, I hope you have a phenomenal day. Thank you for all your support. Hopefully you got any tips today from this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to help. Have a good day. See ya.